Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Afika here. Back again with another vlog. Yeah. Um so today was my best friend's birthday. Yes, it's the 22nd of June 2022. And it's 3:30. So yeah, guys, I have flu that
time of reading up when you maybe if lose my before I leave bad luck whether you get to me busy and have no more yeah this one
so yeah. And I'm drinking coffee because it's cold outside. It is literally cold outside. So today was my best friend's birthday and this was Melomuhle Kunati Charlie. Yeah, so today she was birthdaying. She was turning 15 apparently. She was turning 15 and her last day being 14 was very bad because like she got hurt on her ankle. On her ankle. She got hurt on somewhere there. Ankle yakhe nje kodwa. Ngazi uthi yini yanto le ebizwa ngesiZulu kodwa la kulelithambo leli la ngasenyaweni liphezulu. So khona opposite induku ya athi phakathi yona athi phakathi uAndiswa, but then it wasn't on purpose because like the boy was bejahumini mfana umfana lona washaya lo mfana lona ngenduku yabounce like Andiswa, and then Andiswa screamed. And like Andiswa nombizo le coffee sister kanjani. I'm literally drinking water. And what is no water sister? Wima Andiswa lutho. Kamini lokuthi nje ngikangena emlomeni kodwa nje. Oh my god, but yeah, asanda abagqama mask lana kube ingabe mina engigqoke mask kodwa. So nomkhuhlane yeah sengishilo lokho nomkhuhlane. So ngane wami izolo ke baba bamshaya induku mase mina ngadina phela mina ngiphela I'm a friend. So ngadina mina ngathi wosalawe baba wosa baba. Ambiza yellow and then he apologized, and then apparently Anderson was bleeding, so the boy apologized, and then Anderson wanted to be blast and then sometimes what's it called again, office. Sometimes the office should say our class teacher one night, and then he got worried, and it was a very big story, and then should say abalona abazali ubaba ka Andiswa bamfonela bamtshela ke ukuthi ulimeze umfana khona ngiyeza feel isilonda ekhaya cause like yabo yeah bachazile nje so bottom line is that she is happy, but then so yeah, I don't know what else to say, but yeah. So today I was about this vlog. Decided to do a vlog because like it's gonna be her day, and like it's the first time making a video and with her inside, well, like my YouTube channel with her inside. So decided to make a small nyanya vlog, and yeah, you'll see the vlog right now. So I hope you enjoy it, and it wasn't something very big because it's part of my exams, so yeah.
Smile for the camera. Yes. Yes. Look glamorous.
English nakhona. Vula igift yakho. Wow. Unama-sponsors ase. Waza lana. Hawu. Unama-sponsors. Hawu. Vula igift yakho. Just don't react to your pen. How's that color already? Oh my god. Okay.
They stole my purse,
Oh yeah, come on. How yeah, and Mugani Ben. And this sweet is written not sharing because like agape muntu sweet wag.
Thank you. I didn't have money.
Since we make things happen. So like now we're trying to focus and study and studying. I'm gonna put this in my YouTube vlog. You'll see it until 2015. And we are trying to study over here and like one is getting messages on happy birthday and I'm having video calls then all. It's my birthday. Mama, look at that skin. Look at my skin. It's skinning. Anyways, welcome to Afika's YouTube channel. You've never seen me in this channel, I know. But welcome to her channel. Wait. Welcome to her channel. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Tell a friend to subscribe and share the video. Just show her some love and light. And don't be stingy, man. Don't be stingy. Just like. It's not subscribe. You don't need to pay. 0 rent, nothing. You don't need to pay. Subscribe. Thank you. So the girl is listening to your messages now. Yeah. It's raining. Oh my boy, I get him. Baya kitchen. Mabanetwe. Netwanish. How netwanish? Yes. Hey. No.
It's my birthday, that's why.
Blessings. No, it's okay. Alapho imiyele nje lo sisi. Hawu senila phezulu. Hawu ngisheshile bo senila phezulu. Hawu ngiyagijima bo sinayihatha. Bamnikeze imali. Manje useyangichomela yeke. Bu sizothenga nje nosweet. Useyangichomela ukuthi una wallet. She has a wallet that I bought for her
because they stole mine.
Yes. Money makes you happy.
Glow, because I'm glowing.
You are glowing, my friend.
I don't think they saw it. They didn't see it, right?
No, I didn't see it. I know, sweet balabas. What's we have for lunch? Ngathi pill. Mase have full, mase one. She's already spoiling herself. So I keep alone.
It's cold because I have a golden skin.
Oh my god. How
Love you.
it is.
Since when? Okay, go about last week.
Oh,
Yes.
yes, Mackie. Yes. Next one's less of pen.
So I want to buy Jaguar SUV.
What's 10 rand? You want to buy an apartment?
Not really, because they wouldn't allow me. Maybe get a new phone.
What's 10 rand?
But I don't want anything hectic with phone. Maybe like an iPhone J4. Get that.
Oh no.
Yeah, maybe like an iPhone 11.
What's 10 rand?
What else do I want to do? I want to get new clothes as well. Ooh, I want to buy new kicks. I want to buy new techniques.
So, you're planning to buy Jaguar, own an apartment, buy new clothes, buy new kicks,
And an iPhone 12, 11.
and an iPhone J4
11.
with 10 rand. I believe in you, my friend.
I figure when I look at this, I see $1 million rand.
It is $1 million rand to you, my friend.
Exactly.
Yes. Yes. Don't let anybody tell you that it's a 10 rand. 10 rand is very small.
Not.
Exactly.
I can just go buy Mrs. Nzolo's cakes and then it's finished.
That's one.
But with this 1 million rand, even though a Jaguar costs like even more than $1 million rand, maybe like 10 million rand. I
Yes.
can buy a Jaguar, buy an apartment, buy new clothes, an iPhone 11, and what else do I want to
Sing quickly.
do?
Yeah.
I can even go out.
Hi, my man.
That is, I can get so many things. It's out of this world. That's this thing called. I can go to Canada.
Mauritius. Plan a wedding. Happy birthday.
Open. Please open it right now.
Hi, Bo.
And this was Africa's best friend.
No.
Africa's best friend and her sister.
Tumba? Africa's best friend and her sister. No.
Told you the little things matter.
Yes, it's the little things that matter. Yes. Putting that 10 million rand away.
This will shower me with this.
Oh, yes.
And it's my favorite pink color. I was thinking about washing my unicorn slippers, but you know what? I'm not gonna do it anymore. They really needs to be washed. They really needs to be washed.
There really needs to be
They've
washed.
been through a lot. I'll tell you after the video. Right? Yeah, right?
I have
Just
fun.
like me.
I went mad.
Just like me.
Just like you, my friend. And they soft like. I know you hate that. I'm sorry.
really think of the bully. I'm gonna love them so much. Kapselu Koko. Because I know she's gonna love them. Kapselu Koko. Kapselu Ma. She's coming later. So yeah. Slippers. That's it, in a
Yes. Hey. But what's you?
But you, honestly.
So like apparently Leo let's all ngibhala manje ekseni ngisishesha mpala. Ngisishesha.
These lovely gifts.
Lovely gifts. Ithini letha?
To best friend. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Oh, love. Happy birthday, love. And I've been bragging about the slippers.
Oh my god.
She also got me this. And this lovely wallet, just like me. And also, she got me these sweets, which I finished, written, not for sharing. And guess what? I ate them on my own.
Wow.
For the very first time. Wow.
Birthday. A lot of people give you sweets and
Oh, so Mimiso gave me this.
Yes.
Jomo gave me this.
Yes.
Ogushla gave me this. Oh no, Ogushla I mean, Joe.
Usaid ubani konje usaid usapopola
Oh, Una.
Usipho.
Usipho.
Yes, Usipho. It's the little things that matter. Mese ke ulonayo uceba wamnikeza chocolate. So lahleli pep. Earth.
I obviously got myself these.
Then she gave her money and
20 rand. But I
what's hang my ships?
miss
Rich hands.
Yeah, that's about it. Oh, Africa.
Oh no, yeah, and then Africa.
And then Africa gave me this.
Not me though. The other Africa. Yeah.
I don't know, maybe I'll put it in my room. Or maybe for some special occasion. It's gonna come really handy. Yeah. So that's my gift unboxing 111. Oh, they also gave me in this lovely. You are so beautiful. This lovely.
Gift bag.
Yes. From Fashion Nova.
It's from Gucci, and these are from Gucci. They're from Gucci. Yes. These are from Gucci, and this is from Louis Vuitton. Yeah.
I'm so happy. Let's go
I kumpul ng Wi-Fi gift yam. It's generation to generation.
Thank you. That's hello, 15-year-old.
Goodbye, 14-year-old.
To being mature.
Yes.
To be more careful. No more to being more careful. No more falling.
No, wait, ma. When I do the bra, you literally fall every hour.
No, that's not true.
Okay, every day you're gonna fall.
That's still not true.
It's true, and this.
No, okay, well, not this week.
Exactly.
What angwanga phela.
You're gonna be valid on YouTube, you know.
Yeah. So cheers to me.
purchase to you to surf the life?
Man, to buying a Jaguar.
With the 10 rand.
The 10 rand. I'm going to buy a Jaguar. We're going on YouTube, bro. Peace, love, and Wi-Fi. Subscribe. Click the notification button. Notification bell.
You're gonna make it.
Notification bell.
You're gonna make it.
Click the notification bell.
Kick the notification
so
bell.
that you can be notified every time she drops a
Kick it, yes, kicked. Yes.
So that she can be notified every time she drops a bang video.
Bang video.
And stay tuned for the next video.
Yes, Wena. Don't. Oh, what is it?
Then stay tuned for more Africa Packers video.
Africa Patlers.
Hakuni Chan.
Bunny?
Hakuni Chan. HAUKACHAN. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at Mel.
And
Yeah. Don't forget. I cannot spell.
I cannot spell.
Without a pen. Without writing. Okay. Don't forget to follow my Instagram handle at Mel_Heaven7. Say Google.
Say cookie already.
Dying.
She's already dead. How sabuza fuza wema.
This rainy day is temporary. The contrast is why we got 'em. The sun shining through is just a cloud away. So what you blown a fuse? Well, that happens to us all. Well, I come with great news. The day could change. We've all, of course, been there before. Been there crying, fighting the dark. Let good energy be your strong pull.